Hello students, how are you? Let us see, in previous video we have discussed about the cytoplasm and cell organelles. In this video we will discuss about the differences between plant and animal cell, a very important topic that is given in your book. Let us see students, what is the difference between the plant and animal. Plant, animal. How can we make differences? You can mention here cell also, plant cell and animal cell. Most of the time, one question will come from this topic that differentiate between plant and animal cell. So one by one, we will see the differences. First of all, students, in case of plants, we have studied that cell wall is present. Cell wall is present, but in case of animal cell, cell wall is absent. Cell wall is absent. The second topic that we have to write, students, in case of plants, vacuoles is present and the size of vacuoles is big. Vacuoles are big and it is covered 90% of part. Due to big size of vacuoles, the nucleus is shifted near the cell membrane. The size of vacuoles are big in case of plants, but in animal cell, vacuoles are absent. Simply we can say here there should be one. Vacuoles are absent, or in some animals it is very small. Very small in size. Small in size. In case of animals, in most of the organisms, animals, vacuoles are absent. But in some animals like amoeba, we have discussed that vacuoles are present, contractile vacuoles are absent, and it is very small in size. The third topic is, in plants there is no centrosome. There is no centrosome. We have discussed, students, that what is the role of centrosome. It helps in the cell division, but in case of plants there is no cell division. Cell division occur in plants, but centrosome is not present. In animal cell, centrosome is present. Is present. Centrosome is present. Next topic, students, we know that plants are autotrophs. They prepare its own food, and for the preparation of food there is need of plastid. We can say that in plants there is plastid. Plastid is present. Plastid is present. But in animal cell there is no need to prepare their own food because they are heterotrophs. They are directly or indirectly depend on plants and other animals for their survival. So plastid is absent. Plastid is absent. These are the main differences. You have to differentiate by drawing the plant cell and animal cell. You have to draw about the structure of plant cell and animal cell. It is given in your book and you will draw it properly. If there is any problem, you can contact to me. These are the main differences. There are many differences also, but these are the main differences which is given in your syllabus. In case of plants, there is cell wall, but in case of animal, there is no cell wall. In place of cell wall, there is the cell membrane or plasma membrane. In plants, there are the vacuoles, and this vacuole fill up with the cell side, which provide the stiffness or rigidity to the plant cell. Plant cell are rigid. The reason is that this vacuole is filled up with cell sac, that is known as tonoplast, and it covers 90% of the part, due to which the nucleus is present in plants, but it is in the peripheral region. In case of animal, vacuoles are very small or absent, due to which the nucleus is present into the center position. There is no centrosome. In case of plants, there is no centrosome, and centrosome is important for the cell division. It is present into the animal cell. In plants, there is the plastid, which help in the photosynthesis because chloroplast is present. There are three types of plastid. We will discuss further. Plastid. In case of animal cell, plastid is absent. This is the topic of differences between plant and animal cell. We will see the further topic in next video. Thanks.